If you have ever confused by terms like Bitcoin, blockchain, and digital money, you're in the right place. Today, we are cutting through the complexity to answer the most fundamental question: what is cryptocurrency? Hello, and welcome back to Read Less, Learn More. Simply put, a cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual money that uses encryption or cryptography to secure its transactions. The most crucial part, it's designed to work without any central authority. No government and no bank is in charge of it. Cryptography is the science of secure communication. It uses complex math to turn readable information into an unreadable code and back again, ensuring only the intended recipients can access it. To understand why that's important, let's look at traditional money. If Geeta wants to send money to Ramesh, a bank acts as the trusted middleman. They check Geeta's balance, confirm the transfer, and record it on their private ledger. We trust the bank to do this. Cryptocurrency changes this by decentralizing the trust. With crypto, Geeta sends a transaction request directly to a network computers. The network verifies it, records it publicly, and no single bank or company can approve or block it. It's a peer to peer system. The technology that makes this trust possible is blockchain. Think of it as a standard, unchangeable digital ledger. Every time a new group of transactions is verified, it's bundled into a block, sealed with cryptography, and added to the chain. Once a transaction is on the chain, it can never be altered or deleted. Every single block contains two digital fingerprints, one for all the transactions inside it and one for the previous block in the chain. If a hacker tried to change just a single transaction, the fingerprint of the block would change immediately. Since the next block already contains the original fingerprint, the link is broken and the network instantly rejects the fraud. So if there's no bank, how do you own it? You don't own the coin itself. You own a private key. This key is the cryptographic proof that allows you to authorize the spending of your coins on the blockchain. Owning crypto is all about securing that key. Today, people primarily use cryptocurrency for two things. First, payment. It offers fast, low cost options for transferring value globally. Second, investment. People buy it either as a store of value like digital gold or to speculate on its price volatility. As an asset, crypto has strong pros. It's global, transparent, and uncensorable. However, the cons are real. It is extremely volatile, its value can change rapidly, and transactions are irreversible. With no bank to call, you must take full responsibility for your own security. Now you have the basic understanding of cryptocurrency. If you want to know more on blockchain technology, I have already created the video on it. I will put the link in the description box. Do check it out. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching.